Good evening. Thanks for joining us tonight. A gun law in place for more than 2 decades overturned in Minnesota. A federal appeals court ruling that banning adults under 21 from applying for a license to carry a handgun is unconstitutional. It's an issue that invokes a lot of emotion from those on both sides. Tonight, KARE 11's Jessica Hart spoke with gun advocates and those working to prevent gun violence.
Split feelings over a court ruling this week on a Minnesota law that currently bans 18 to 20-year-olds from getting a permit to carry a firearm.
We're absolutely disappointed in this position.
A lot of our members and supporters that are excited.
The case was originally filed in 2021. It made its way to the Court of Appeals, where a 3-judge panel sided with those challenging this law, saying the law is unconstitutional.
18, 19, and 20-year-old adults, they can join the military, they can join the police academy, they can join the National Guard, they vote. They are entitled to the full exercise of all of their constitutional rights.
The Minnesota Gun Owners Caucus is one of the plaintiffs.
It's significant because it's an affirmation that when it comes to constitutional rights, they're entitled to everybody. You don't have to reach an arbitrary age in order to have the full exercise of your rights.
But the director of Protect Minnesota says when it comes to owning a gun, age should be a factor.
My biggest concern is that young people who, again, don't yet have those decision-making skills will get their hands on firearms, and we will see rates of homicide and firearm suicide go up.
She says the difference between an 18 and 21-year-old carrying a gun is maturity, a sentiment Attorney General Keith Ellison shares, saying in a statement, quote, "The people of Minnesota want and deserve solutions that reduce shootings and improve public safety. And today's ruling only makes that more difficult."
A spokesperson for the Attorney General says they're exploring their options and haven't yet decided if they'll appeal. The Minnesota Gun Owners Caucus tells me Ellison has 21 days to appeal if he chooses to. If not, anyone between 18 and 20 years old can apply for a gun permit starting August 7th.
All right. Thank you, Jessica.